turning left.
Turn left. Are we there yet?
No! Oh, good job. We just maybe hit the back of a school bus. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Turn right then.
We just did turn right. I did turn right.
Are we there yet?
Just a school bus.
Are we there yet?
No! Yes, we're there. We just drove to the back of a school bus.
Turn left. We're
Get the crap out of here.
We're here.
Maybe I should stop parking on the side of the cliff.
Bye. Are we at the ice cream shop yet?
No!
When are we gonna get there?
I don't know. Hit the cop.
I thought you were a nice guy.
What do you...
You hit my car.
What do you do now? You hit a cop, you idiot. Drive! Hold on tight.
Kill them!
Just a moment.
Wait, where'd you get that?
You have to make gunshot noises.
Now my car's gonna be wanted.
I don't care. We're going back to ice cream shops, so you can shut up.
But aren't they gonna catch us?
Shut up! I took care of the one. I took care of them, but I think there might be backup. Oh crap!
Oh, back up! That's just great.
Oh crap! A dog! Hey, isn't that your aunt in that cop car?
Ah!
Oh crap! Get the crap out of here! Hold on. Oh look! Fine ice cream.
Oh crap! I forgot the camera.
What are you doing?
Ah! It burns. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What? It feels like 14 hours. The ice cream parlor! Give me a root beer float, mate.
This is a bar, kid.
This is a drink.
No.
This isn't a ice cream parlor, kid. This is a bar.
What?
Do some tricks. Magic?
Yes.
Well, I do know.
This is a bar? We don't drove all that way for nothing. I'm gonna kill you.
You want to see some magic tricks, kid? Want to see some magic tricks? Want to see magic? Want to see some magic?
Do some magic tricks.
Okay, do some magic tricks.
Just get off of this thing or I'll kill you.
Okay, just get off me.
Magic.
You have a bare mouth.
I'm killing him.
Torture him. Hey, no, I'll show you the magic machine.
Oh crap.
Get him. No, get him.
Fucked. Why is this so dark? Suckers. What a sucker. Huh? Who's there? Oh crap.